Hello guys, Monster here, and
That weirdo Isabella.
we are going, and we caught a weird noise. We're trying to make a video, which will be on her channel, and we're trying to do a video. And this is the noise my dog made. Can you turn it up? He sounds like a horse, but he also sounded like he was saying, "Me."
Yeah.
You should show him the bloopers from this. These are all bloopers. The movie. And I wasn't supposed to catch it.
Wait, which one do you want to do? Do you want to show the one where, not yet. This is
You're laughing. It wasn't.